Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the surface area of a pyramid. We will break down the formula and understand exactly why it works, so you can solve these problems with confidence. First, let's identify the parts of a pyramid. The bottom shape is called the base. The pointy top is the apex, and the triangular sides connecting the base to the apex are called lateral faces. To find the total surface area, we simply need to find the area of every single face and add them together. This means we add the area of the base, represented by B, plus the lateral area, represented by L, which is the total area of all the triangular faces combined. Imagine unfolding the pyramid so it lies flat. This is called a net. You can see the square base in the center, surrounded by 4 triangles. Notice that the bases of these triangles form the perimeter of the square. This is crucial. Pyramids have 2 heights. The vertical height, h, goes straight down through the center. But for surface area, we need the slant height, represented by a cursive L. The slant height is the distance from the apex down the middle of a face. So, how do we find the area of all those triangles quickly? The formula is 1/2 times P times L here. P stands for the perimeter of the base, and L is that slant height we just talked about. This shortcut works because it sums up all the triangle areas at once. Putting it all together, the total surface area is the base area plus the lateral area. So, the formula is B plus 1/2 PL. Remember, B is the area of the base shape, P is the perimeter of the base, and L is the slant height. Let's try an example. We have a square pyramid. The side length of the base is 6 centimeters, and the slant height is 10 centimeters. We need to find the total surface area. Step 1 is to find the base area. Since it's a square, we multiply 6 by 6 to get 36. Step 2 is to find the perimeter. 4 sides of 6 centimeters give us a perimeter of 24. Now, step 3. We calculate the lateral area using 1/2 times 24 times 10, which equals 120. Finally, add the base area of 36 to get a total surface area of 156 square centimeters. To wrap up, remember that the surface area is just the base plus the lateral area. Use the formula 1/2 PL for the lateral part, where P is the perimeter and L is the slant height. And always make sure you are using the slant height, not the vertical height.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.